Hey guys, it's TravelCharles here. Welcome to my new video. Today it's not traveling video, it's unboxing video, but only because of that when I was traveling in Canada, I was in Calgary and I visited Calgary Stampede and also the stadium of Calgary Flames. And I saw there's so many snapbacks, but I didn't have time and money to buy that. So I ordered it from my home country, Czech Republic. I ordered it from this page. It's from ubuy.com. ubuy.com. I'm sorry, I think you will not see it. I bought it for around $30, which is good price. It's much cheaper than eBay and Amazon and stuff like that, and I hope it will fit me. Shipping was $10 and it was shipped by DHL, the best shipping service. Only one day from US to Europe. It's perfect. I totally recommend it. So right now, let's go and open it. I'm looking forward very much. It will remind me Canada. I wanna come back. And in a few days, I'm gonna release my traveling videos from Canada. You will also see the Calgary Stampede and it will be awesome. So stay tuned. Wow, here it is. Now, nice, so nice, so nice. Yeah. Okay, let's see it. Oh, it's very nice. Wow, that's so nice of them. The customs wrote me a sign. Nice head choice. Go Flames. Ah, I like it. Thank you. It's so nice. Let's go for it. It's there. Wow. Wow, the color. Wow, it's so nice. Wow. I hope it will be good. I'm afraid it's a little bit smaller than I thought, but let's compare it. Yeah, I think it's a little bit smaller. Okay, let's give it on the second pluck. Well, it's not so different. I think it could fit me, but the color, man, it's so nice. It's so nice. I like it so much. Wow, wow, wow. Let's try it. Let's try it. This one is from Banff. Okay, let's take a look. I think it's awesome. It's pretty awesome. Like the color very much. Very nice. I like it so much. What do you guys think? It's good? It's good? If yes, I'm very glad. If not, never mind. I feel it good because this one from Canadian Rockies Lifestyle, it's a little bit bigger, so I'm afraid of losing it because when the wind blows too much, I'm afraid it could fall off. This one is a little bit better in the handling. I like it very much. One is good, very good. Why is it too much? Maybe it's normal, I don't know. I'm not used to it. So that's everything for this video. I hope you liked it. If yes, if you are a fan of Calgary, please like and subscribe to my channel. More videos are coming very soon. And this is the end of the day. So I wish you the best and see you next time. Bye, TravelCharles.